Welcome to Tech Talk. Today, we're diving into the Apple Watch Series 10, where cutting-edge technology meets eco-conscious design. Let's explore what makes this watch a standout in both performance and sustainability. The Apple Watch Series 10 is crafted with a focus on environmental responsibility. It features a sleek design made from 100% recycled aluminum and 95% recycled titanium, achieving a carbon-neutral configuration. This means you get a durable, stylish watch while supporting eco-friendly materials and practices. Apple has introduced its first wide-angle OLED display with the Series 10, offering a stunning 75% more screen area compared to the Series 3. The new Smart Stack feature enhances your experience with location-based updates and live activities, keeping you informed and connected effortlessly. Access contextual information based on your time and location for a more personalized experience. Benefit from offline translation and automatic widget addition for seamless communication. Make calls and send texts without needing your phone nearby. Enjoy convenient payments and digital keys straight from your wrist. Accurately locate your iPhone with ease. Stream audio via AirPods or the watch speaker for versatile listening. Customize your watch with a wide range of apps available in the App Store. The Series 10 provides diverse workout options including running, strength training, Pilates, and dance. Each activity comes with comprehensive metrics to track your progress. Track your move, exercise, and stand rings daily, with the flexibility to pause or adjust your goals for each day of the week. Assess how your workouts affect your body, helping you decide when to push harder or take it easy. Get detailed tide information for thousands of beaches and surf spots worldwide. Perfect for planning your next ocean adventure. The Series 10 brings new snorkeling features, tracking various underwater metrics to enhance your underwater experience. Enjoy real-time metrics and audio-guided fitness activities directly from your watch. No iPhone needed. Set up a bedtime routine and track your REM, core, and deep sleep stages with up to 8 hours of sleep, tracking on just an 8-minute charge. Generate ECG readings similar to a single-lead electrocardiogram, with notifications for high and low heart rates and irregular rhythms. Track daily health changes with the Vitals app, including heart rate, respiratory rate, wrist temperature, and sleep duration. The watch tracks your temperature during sleep, providing insights for cycle tracking and family planning. Enhanced accessibility for all users. Your health information is protected with top-notch encryption. Specific workouts designed to support wheelchair users. Robust privacy features to safeguard your personal data. Stay secure with features like emergency SOS, fall and crash detection, medical ID, and check-in notifications, ensuring you're covered in any situation. So the Apple Watch Series 10 is a perfect blend of innovation, sustainability, and functionality. Whether you're focused on fitness, staying connected, or ensuring your safety, this watch has you covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.